Pulling your weight, a guide to understanding responsibility and teamwork. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, pulling your weight. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insight into cultural expectations around responsibility and teamwork. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this expression. The phrase, pulling your weight, refers to fulfilling your responsibilities or doing your fair share of work in a group or team setting. It's often used to emphasize the importance of contributing equally to a common goal. When someone is not pulling their weight, it means they are not contributing as much as they should be, leaving others to pick up the slack. While the exact origins of the phrase are not clear, it's believed to be derived from situations where teamwork was essential, such as in rowing or lifting heavy objects. The idea is that each member must contribute their strength equally to ensure success. This historical context helps us understand why the phrase emphasizes equality in effort and contribution. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a team project, everyone needs to pull their weight if we're going to meet our deadline. In a family setting, we all live here, so we should all pull our weight and help with the chores. In a work environment, the manager noticed that not all team members were pulling their weight, which affected the project's progress. Understanding and applying the concept of pulling your weight is crucial in any collaborative environment. It fosters a sense of fairness, encourages teamwork, and ensures that objectives are met efficiently. When everyone pulls their weight, it leads to a more harmonious and productive group dynamic. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what it means to pull your weight, and why it's such an important concept in English-speaking cultures. Remember, contributing your fair share to any group effort not only helps achieve common goals but also builds respect and trust among team members. Until next time, keep learning and see you in our next video.